Another U.S. Grand Prix is in the history books, and this morning, racing champ Lewis Hamilton is celebrating his big win in Austin.
Yeah, he was a little off on that one.
During the game, an unlucky fan got a ball in the face. He bonked her, right? Judging by the look on her face, you could tell she had no idea. I'm Hunter Ellis.
I've got my party hat on. The party's rocking.
You can tell it's Monday around here.
It is.
Happy
I'm
birthday,
trying to
by the way.
liven up Monday.
I would love to be the person that ate the most out of 1,000 people.
He has eaten at Olive Garden twice a day, every day for the last 6 weeks. The offer was part of a 7-week unlimited pasta offer. The hashtag #CowboysUK. It's leading to a flurry of tweets like this one that says, I've been saying that for years, Cowboys SUK. It's a Cincinnati Bengals defensive tackle by the name of Devon Still, and he's picking up his daughter Leah at the airport.
Yeah, last night's game against the Browns is the first time the 4-year-old has been able to see her dad play. She has been undergoing surgery and chemotherapy in her fight against cancer.
The strength that my daughter has showed me, the courage that she showed me, is nothing short of inspirational.
Did you get that fly?
You just didn't do anything to help me out.
She's just sitting here like trying to,
like,
you know.
Where is it? And he's just laughing at me. Thanks, Hunter.
She got it.
Teamwork.
She can handle herself.